Please describe to me how you feel.
Sometimes I feel dizzy. I feel like throwing up when nothing comes out.
Have you treated typhoid lately?
Yes, about a month ago.
Doctor, I sent him the medication.
Okay.
It's not typhoid fever.
How do you know that, doctor?
I know typhoid very well.
Are you sure you're not pregnant? Pregnant?
This is not a joke, doctor.
Sorry, but everything you just described do happen to a woman.
Now, does that mean that these women are pregnant?
Oh, no, not in all cases. The woman might just be going through some hormonal changes caused by fever. It is nothing serious. Please take this to the pharmacy for his medication.
Thank you very much, doctor. Nick, take it easy, you're not well.
There you go.
Drugs are expensive. How did you manage?
I'll do anything for you, sweetheart.
Thank you.
I just want you to go well.
I will.
Okay?
I want to do a dance for you.
What? You know you like to think you're the best dancer in this village.
Excuse me.
Oh, please.
Who else is excellent?
Oh, please. Come on, take your meds. Alright? When you're done taking that, I bought you food. Bought you food and some I know you like.
Hey, Madam Lice, welcome.
Yeah, well done.
I want us to talk about that shop, the other shop.
Ogini, what is it?
I don't know if it will be cheaper, so that I can move my things to that place and leave this space for you.
Yeah. Ozo, Oneme Ozo. Mama Lizzie, hey, you are really in the spirit. Look, I came to tell you that I can no longer wait for you to pay the rent in bits. And you are here talking about another shop. What makes you think it will be cheaper? Who gave you that idea?
Nembike Eweniwe. There is no harm in trying. After all, you have really tried for me.
Just pay your rent in full and at once if you really want to continue using this shop. Because people are offering me more money to give it to them. Yes.
Okay. Anugum. Let me see what I can do at the end of this month.
Let it not pass the end of the month, Biko. Try. Try, yo. My Igwe, I don't want an elaborate party.
My queen, you are the normal. You should be celebrated. It's your birthday.
I know, but I don't want the fanfare associated with it. Just a little celebration will be fine.
Rubbish. I have already informed my chiefs, and the best female dance troupe has been paid to perform. Do you want me, Igwe Ugonna, to appear like a man who does not keep his own side of bargains. So, enjoy.
No canopies. Just a little get together in the palace hall. Please.
It's okay, my queen, it's okay. Get up.
We have spent a lot on my medical checkup. Why spend more on a party I can do without?
I have money. I'm not boasting.
And we must keep some for our children. They are adults now, you know.
Never mind. Except a catastrophe takes place, I can assure you that our children will not worry about money for the rest of their lives. Neither should you. As you're going back to the United States, I will make sure that you and the children lack nothing. I want you to live like the Laurel, the queen that you are, even in the US.
Thank you, my king.
It's okay, my darling.
Welcome.
Thank you, Nicholas.
Welcome.
Hey, Nicholas! Keep the bag there.
Here.
Thank you. What brought you here?
Oh, I brought medicine for Liz.
Yes. Thank you. So, how much is it?
I know. I already took care of it, man. It's nothing.
No, you cannot be spending your money like that. How much is it?
Mama, don't worry yourself. They gave me the medicine. You remember my mom is a nurse at the clinic, so I told them what the problem was, and they gave me medicine.
Okay. Thank you. Thank your mother for me.
I will do so. She's responding, by the way. We can just...
Oh, definitely. She will definitely respond to treatment since she has taken the medicine. You can go. Oh, thank you.
All right.
Mama, welcome. Mama, I'm greeting you.
I saw Nicholas.
Yes, he came to see me.
Elizabeth, that is the type of boys your father used to warn you against.
Mama, Nick and I have been friends since secondary school. Papa liked him a lot. He's a good man.
Okay. Time will tell. I came back to prepare food for you.
Don't worry, Mama. I've already eaten.
You made food?
No, Nick did. Yeah. This is yours.
You said. Where did you even say you're going to again? How about the Igwe's party that we've been paid to dance? Who will lead now?
Lizzie, you will lead. You replace me. I don't need the money. Just go with the girls. You guys should just dance. Make us proud, and show them what your mama
Stop.
gave. I mean, check this your waist,
Go away, Joe. I'm ever your friend.
Okay. You're welcome to my humble abode. Yeah. So, this is it.
It's fine.
Electricity here is epileptic. We see it when we see it. The rest of the day, get ready to enjoy the generator sound. Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
She's good.
Yes, she's very good. I'm happy you like it.
Yeah, I like it.
Yes.
Mama, I want to follow you to the market today.
Nicholas has traveled. Now you want to help your mother.
Mama, I just want to help you out.
Okay. Take it. Go to the market and buy foodstuffs to prepare soup.
Thank you, Mama. But I'll add the money I got from the palace so I can make 2 pots of soup instead.
No. Save your money, we can manage.
Mama, I'm saving. But don't worry, very soon you start to enjoy, okay?
Amen. No.
You don't know.
Highness. Good evening, Your Highness. Ikadio.
Good evening, my dear. I thought I recognized your face, but I can't remember where.
Your Highness, I danced at the palace.
Oh, yes. You were that flexible dancer my tunes are still talking about.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Good. So, what's your name, my dear?
Elizabeth, but I prefer Lizzie.
No Igbo name?
No, I have one, but I don't like the sound of it.
Okay. Tell me. I promise I won't laugh.
Okay. It's in Dikeh.
That's a nice name.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I had not seen your face before that day.
Igwe, it's because we just moved from Port Harcourt. We had to move when my father died.
Who was the father?
His name was Okay.
Okay. You mean the late clock seller? I knew him. He sold me my first watch when I just finished writing GCE. Well, I want you to come to the palace tomorrow afternoon. Relax. I just want you to come have lunch with the king and my chiefs.
Wow. Igwe, I'm so honored. Thank you. My mother will be so pleased.
No, it's just you.
Just me?
Yes. You see, your talent has earned you the right to dine with royalty.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Hold on. All right, here. Take it. It's yours. Have fun.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Where did you get this money from?
Mama, Dikeh gave it to me.
Why?
I don't know. He said I'm a talented dancer and he just felt like rewarding me.
Huh? Hey! Listen. Your talent has not only brought you money, but also fame. Hey! Dikeh knows you now. That is cool.
Mama, that's not it. Yeah? He said I can come have lunch with him and chips and plans today.
What are we still doing? Let's go inside so that you can get a fine dress from my boss.
No, Mama, I have clothes.
Okay, no, why you are appearing before the Igwe. You need to dress well. You gotta go. Come, let's go.
So what about Charles?
Charles?
Yeah.
Charles is working with politicians now. I tell you. I seriously doubt if he wants to come to this town to hustle. That's not him.
You see, Lagos is a very harsh place, especially when you don't make enough cash.
Or when you don't have a place to stay.
But you see, the secret there is, you start small. You see, most of these big politicians, big men, big actors, big musicians you see in Lagos today, They came to Lagos the same way you did, with a tiny bag and big hopes.
Thank you so much for letting me stay here. I appreciate it.
Come on. We're not friends from here. You're my guy. It's nothing. So, I'm not forgetting anything, okay? So I have to rush down to Lekki now. If you're hungry, there's a mama put down the road. You know that Aboki man now? Opposite it. There's a mama put there. You can go there and eat. Or alternatively, you can go to the kitchen and fix up something to eat. I have Indomie. You can, just feel free. Feel free.
All right. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
Yeah, best of luck.
You're laughing at me, right?
No. I just think it's funny how you decided to take a photo of your surroundings.
Oh, well, that was to save me the time and energy. Because I wouldn't know exactly how to describe it.
Right.
So how have you been doing without me?
Look, you're speaking to the latest royal guest in town.
What? You danced? Huh?
And the king invited me to the palace to have lunch today.
Ah, that's beautiful. That's wonderful. Speaking of lunch, I could do with a feast right now. You have no idea.
Well, I can pack you some takeaway.
Behave yourself, Liz. Just behave yourself and not go having too much fun when you get there without me. You hear me?
I promise. I love you.
All right, love you more.
Sorry. Anyway, I couldn't help but notice your chiefs didn't join us.
Yes. You're right. I did not want to share your gracious presence with anyone else.
Anyway, you flatter me.
Everything about you excites me. And you're irresistibly beautiful. Huh?
Okay.
Elizabeth, the daughter of Ukegu.
Sir.
I want you to be my wife. Yeah. What do you say? Did you hear what I just said?
I want to go home.
Relax. Relax, okay?
can't be your wife.
There's no law that says I can't take a second wife.
I can't be your second wife.
Eat your food. Don't leave in a hurry. When you get home, think about what I've just told you. Then give me feedback tomorrow morning. Tell your mother that I, Igwe Ugonna Ezaku, proposed to you. Send her my regards. Okay? Hello. Eat your food.
Igwe, please eat.
My queen. My darling.
Mama, he's old enough to be my father.
Age does not matter. It is just a number.
So what happens to Nick?
You told me he's just a friend from secondary school, Aubrey.
Well, we love each other and we plan to get married.
Well, God will give him another good girl.
Madam, did your parents force you to marry my father?
Yeah, Elizabeth, Gente. It is a royal marriage that we are talking about here. Eh? Do you want us to miss this opportunity? Look, God has smiled on us and you want to reject it, Mbano. Hey! Nanya. Just imagine it. My daughter, my only daughter, steps out, gorgeously dressed as the queen, with maids and servants at her beck and call.
Mama, please stop. I don't recognize you.
I say, welcome, my son.
Thank you very much, Mom.
Please come inside.
Oh, don't worry. The Igwe sent me to come and fetch your daughter, Elizabeth.
No, you heard him.
Why the sudden serious interest?
I'm sure he will explain to you at the palace.
All I did was dance. Mama, I don't like this at all. Oh.
Lizzie, go inside and freshen up, then follow him.
Tell the Igwe I'm not coming.
Have you suddenly gone out of your mind?
Your Highness.
I can see you could not bring her.
Yes, she refused to come with us.
Fetch me Nze Amobi at once.
All right.
The Igwe wants to marry her, but she's turning him down.
Is that so?
Yes, uncle. He proposed to me, but I don't want him, so I said no.
Why, if I may ask?
First, he has a wife.
Yeah, that I know.
Secondly, uncle, he's too old for me.
Akoko.
And thirdly, I don't love him.
That part is easy.
It's not. Love is important to me.
This is serious. But honestly speaking, I would like to be the Ingwe's in-law.
Oh, please tell her to grow up.
But Elizabeth has spoken her mind, and she is right. Without love, marriage is nothing.
Emenike.
God bless you, uncle.
You see, forcing children into marriage is wrong and should be discouraged. Let them choose and come to us for advice if need be.
Emenike, prevention is better than cure.
That is true. It's true. I rejected this gift. What makes you think I will accept another?
I have not come with another gift. The Igwe wants to see you at the palace.
My answer is still the same. But he's my Igwe, so I will answer his call.
Okay.
Let's use the car then.
Now I know my way to the Igwe's place. Don't worry. But this is the owner's corner.
You a VIP, sir.
Jay. Hey, what's up?
How far?
I've been calling you since. What happened? You're not picking up your calls.
I didn't. You called me. I didn't hear my phone ring.
Check now. You see missed calls. I've been calling you.
No, I had my phone now. Right?
You're asking me?
No,
Oh, well, you don't dash them your phone, no. You've dashed them your phone.
What do you mean I dashed them my phone? What are you talking about? My phone is missing and you're trying to make a joke out of it.
Anyways, welcome to Lagos.
I have my phone.
Come inside. Welcome to
Lagos. I can't lose this phone. What kind of nonsense is this? I go look for a job. I can't get a job. Now I'm losing my damn phone.
It's okay. Just come inside. Let the phone go.
I can't lose my phone. I can't lose this phone. How do I? I can't lose that phone. I can't lose that phone. I can't lose that phone.
inside now.
Good day, sir.
Igwe, may you live long.
Chief Medicare, you're welcome. Please come close. Yes.
I am very sorry I had to reject your offer. I had to actually consider my brother's daughter.
It's okay. I understand. Nzamobi told me you're a very principled person.
Yes, I am.
That's okay. Okay, let's go talk inside. Yes. I want to marry your niece.
Your Highness, I'm aware.
Good. I have spoken to her, but she's very stubborn.
Your Highness, you don't need to blame her. She's only 24 and has her own idea on how to settle down.
That's exactly why I sent for you. From the moment I saw her dance, my juices have not stopped dancing for her.
I see.
Make her do my bidding. I don't want to force her.
I'll try.
Do it. I know you can.
Your Highness, even my own children, I don't have to force them against their will, especially on issues like this. What I normally do as a father is to advise them.
You can do more than that. Come with me. That is yours.
What did you just say? I didn't understand you.
I mean, this car is yours. Just deliver your niece to me as my wife. That's all.
This is a very beautiful car.
Yes, it is. it.
Hey. Thank you, Your Royal Highness. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It does not end here. There is the vacant post of Onowu waiting for you.
But my friend Amobi has been eyeing that position.
Oh, don't you want to be my Onowu? So you can begin to travel everywhere around the world with me. America, China, Russia, Dubai, France, Germany, name it.
I feel highly honored. In fact, consider your request done. I don't even know what I was thinking.
In whose name did you register the car?
Yours, Your Highness.
Good. Very good. Thank you.
Is this your car?
Yes, sir. God is good.
Hekukwana. Chai. Naye Menike. If you had told me that you had money, I would have asked you for some to add to my business.
Never worry. Don't worry at all. There is more where this one is coming from. And the thing is, are you ready to play ball?
Ball what?
Where is that Elizabeth?
No, I don't want to marry your grandfather.
Is he your grandfather? Huh?
Uncle, I'm surprised though.
Now listen to me. We want what is good for you and the family.
Uncle, what happened to you? Why'd you change?
My friend, shut up and listen to wisdom.
I've given it a good thought and realized that this is a very good move for you.
Wham.
Not for me, Uncle. Not for me. I have a fiancé and we both love each other.
Fiogini.
Now listen to me. You better forget about that boy. And come to terms with this present reality. You're going to be the next Lolo, and that is final.
Wham.
If you prefer.
Never.
Elizabeth.
She had no choice.
Nick, what's wrong with your phone?
Hey! Our new car.
Come, let me go and show you how you people enjoy life.
I should enter.
Enter. Come,
I should enter.
Come, let me open the door.
Okay. This was my first phone when GSM came out.
I thought I ever had.
I tell you, half bread is better than none.
Yes, so this is better than nothing. This is better than nothing.
Careful, there's a rubber band.
I don't see him. Okay. Good. Thank you. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
The challenge now is, retrieving my old line, because you know how these people can be. Every time you go there, they ask you for utility bills and stuff. So I don't know what to do.
That one go hard.
Well, now they pay for light for you.
We do pay, we pay for light, but the problem is you have to wait till the end of the month when the caretaker comes around to get your utility bill.
What?
Yeah.
That's that will take a while now.
Yeah, it will be a while. But you can get another line. I mean, this is Lagos. You can find any place to buy a new line.
Great. So everyone reminds me everywhere I turn. You guys don't get it.
Anyways, but aside the places you submitted your CV, I mean, who else are you expecting a call from?
Oh, Lizzie.
Who is Lizzie?
Lizzie, my woman.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the love of my life. The reason I'm trying very hard to become a better person. The reason I came to this town to hustle so that things would get better and then, we can be together.
Man, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong here. But you see, hustling because of a woman is good. It's not bad at all. But you have to hustle for yourself first. I mean, hustle for your stomach first now.
That's what they talk. What's the difference? Like the same thing, that hustle.
They are not the same thing. Listen, you could be here laboring in vain. I mean, you could be here just breaking your back because of her while she's busy wherever she is breaking, lying on her own back with another man.
You crazy? No, Chelsea, you crazy? What kind of talk is that now?
No, I'm sorry.
I beg, don't ever, for your life, talk about my woman like that. I don't like her.
I'm sorry.
No, what you want to bring insult now? Because I did your house. No, and you don't tell me to calm down. Are you trying to call my woman a prostitute?
I'm sorry.
For your life. No, for your life. Why don't forget myself, break your head, but they won't worry you. Don't try more.
I'm sorry, no, they turn red because of this matter. I go chook my big mouth into matter when you concern me, and I'm so sorry because of that. Sorry!
What rubbish!
Igwe Gadio! DJ Nono. DJ Nono. Go and call Elizabeth so that she will come and greet our in-laws.
She has not come out of her room since this morning.
No, go and greet her. There's no time to waste at all.
Igwe. Listen. Elizabeth, open the door. Open this door.
Hey! Moto, oh no. It's alright, it's fine. It's fine.
That's my friend, the one I told you about.
You must be Johnson.
And you must be Lizzie. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're the reason for his madness.
Don't mind him.
You're welcome to the
Open door, open door.
Let them help you.
Open door, guy.
You're welcome.
I have never been humiliated like this in my life.
Your Highness, this is a horrible attack on your prestige. Your anger is justified.
Your Highness, Biko, forgive her. Forgive us. Please, Your Highness.
Your Highness, I'll take care of this. It's a promise. I promise you that, Your Highness.
You may leave.
Huh?
Now.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, sir.
Everything happened so fast. 1 minute I'm at the palace dancing, the next minute the Igwe, my uncle and my mom, they all want me to be the Igwe's second wife.
That must have been one hell of a dance, eh?
Stop, I'm not kidding. I want you to come take my hand in marriage.
Are you joking? How? What you mean, like, how?
It's okay if you found someone else.
Hey, don't talk like that. No. Never. Please. You are the woman for me.
Then do the right thing.
Why didn't you tell me? Eh? Why didn't you tell your mother? But you should have told me. Eh? You should have told your mother. Do you want me to have heart attack? Eh? Hell. Please.
Where are you? What are you doing in Lagos? Are you crazy? Your stupid daughter said she went to see her husband in Lagos. Who is he? Who is that person? Eh?
Hello?
Ha.
Hello?
How much do you have?
I have nothing. I have nothing compared to the amount that we need to kickstart anything. If I check my two accounts, I don't even think that I have more than 40,000 now. Now that's not even enough for canopies and chairs. Not to talk of drinks. That's nothing.
I have some money.
Huh? Forget it. I don't want your money. I'm not going to take your money to get married to you.
we're doing this. You know I don't want a huge wedding. All I just want is just your family and my family. I don't want anything elaborate.
But you don't want something fancy. You don't want an unforgettable marriage ceremony. You don't want something big.
All I want is an unforgettable life with you.
I love you. Come. I've come to tell you that very soon I'm going to come with my people to ask for Lizzie's hand in marriage. I love her very much. I'd love to marry her.
Well, she's already engaged to the Igwe.
Mama, I'm not.
Shut up. You are. Say my voice up. Get inside. Yeah, Nicholas. My daughter is already engaged to Igwe. Please leave her alone to focus on that marriage. You are the only obstacle she has now. Leave her alone.
Your daughter and I are in love with each other.
You say, love?
Yes.
What is love? You are not even ready. It's not as if I don't appreciate everything you have done for her. But if that is going to be the problem, just calculate everything and give me the bill. My son-in-law will pay you with interest.
Elizabeth is priceless to me. Nothing, no one, no amount of money can come between us.
Nicholas, you're just being stubborn. Please, just go. Go, leave her alone, just go.
I can't.
Eh?
I can't leave her. Just like I can't stop breathing. I love her very much.
My son, you have to forget everything about Elizabeth and focus on getting a job.
Why? Mama, why? Why does everyone keep telling me this? How about me? How about how I feel? How about the emotions? How about the way Elizabeth and I feel about each other? Does that even count?
I understand. But not when someone as powerful as the Igwe indicates serious interest. You can never win. God will give you your own woman.
There is no woman better than Lizzie. There is no woman better than Lizzie.
Nick, don't say that until you have tried. Why not go back to Lagos for now?
Well, I am not going back to Lagos.
You want to languish over something you cannot change?
You know what? I'll be going to work first thing tomorrow morning to apply for a job.
That's good, my son.
But I'm not forgetting Lizzie. It won't happen.
Move!
for letting money go between you and the family.
Before you become lawless and untouchable, I will discipline you. Nonsense. Take her inside and dress her up.
No!
Take her inside and dress her up. Take her inside and dress her up. Go to Kudo. Go with him, find Dick. Beat him up thoroughly. Huh? Keep him incommunicado until I state otherwise.
In a jeep. Have you cashed the check?
No.
Well, feel free to ask me anything. You're not my responsibility. Come. Come closer.
Stop it. Sex is the last thing on my mind.
This night of our wedding, what could my new wife be thinking about?
Sleep. I want to sleep.
I want to have you tonight.
Igwe, I already told you, I am not in the mood.
Don't you realize I am your husband?
Well, not until you complete the marriage rites.
But it was you that said to wait till after your NYSC.
You know that's because I want my father's name on the certificate.
I did the introduction. And I paid your dowry. Which is the main thing. The rest is a mere formality.
I am not your prostitute.
Okay? I do not have any feelings for you.
I'm a lion. A hungry lion. Don't you dare deny me.
He owns 10 companies. Half of those are in the United States of America. He's a personal friend to the Vice President of Nigeria. The guy can practically get away with murder. You can lucky your life.
Really? And that is supposed to make me feel good? Well, it's not working, thank you.
I'm stating the fact to help clear your head off any illusion about Lizzie.
I'm worried. I'm just worried. I don't know where she is. I don't know what's happening with her. I just want to be sure that her abductors did not harm her in the process. I'm just worried. I'm disturbed.
She wasn't really kidnapped. She was just grabbed and forced to go marry the Igbo, you know. Now you're free from danger. Go start a new course for yourself.
No. I can't. I don't think I can love another woman like I love Lizzie. I can't. My heart won't let me. I can't.
That means choosing danger over feeling.
Eat your food. You had better eat your food, otherwise I'll sack the cook and employ a new one. And if you still do not eat, I will sack the new cook and employ another. And it will continue like that. Do you want to be responsible for the joblessness of so many people? Do you? So eat something, okay? Be a good girl. Be a sweet girl.
Hey, good boy. I thought you came to Oka to look for a job.
Yeah, I've been looking. I've been at it for the past 1 month now, but nothing yet.
If you focus, you'll get a job. Yeah, no, Lizzie today, it could be other women tomorrow.
What do you mean by what you just said?
What I mean is, if you hustle hard, you will not lose your woman. Even women. Come on, remember how we wrote back in the university days? Also, why did you be I
know, things are different now. Those days are long gone.
Oh, easy days. Women everywhere.
Yeah, you had all the women to yourself.
You know what I've shared with you, bro? But we are bent on this Lizzie girl. If Lizzie will kill you, you will live longer than Methuselah. Cheer up, bro.
Alright. I'll talk to you later.
Igwe. Igadio.
You look nice.
I want to go to my school to check for my call-up.
That's all right. My driver will take you.
Igwe, no, please. Allow me drive myself. I don't want any convoy, no razzmatazz, just me.
Then go with a guard and a maid.
Igwe, please. I'll be fine. Besides, I really want to be inconspicuous.
Okay. Yeah, that's the car.
Why don't you shut the door?
Why?
Because we need some privacy.
You are another man's wife now, Lizzie. And I clearly cannot compete with one of the most powerful men in this country. Can I?
He might have my body. But Nick...
Don't do that.
You have my heart.
Yet you transformed yourself to suit his royal desire. Look at you.
Do you really think that I would look this way if I needed royalty?
Do you? Nick, I don't want to fight. That's not why I'm here. I bought you shirts.
I don't need your handouts. Just go. You hear? Leave.
Don't be stubborn. Okay. Listen. Once I'm done with my youth service, I'll run away from the palace. I promise to come back to you.
Don't touch me. You must really think that I am stupid. Words are cheap. Easier said than done.
Nick. Trust me. I'm doing all of this because of you.
Oh, please don't even try. Look, you hear me? Don't give me that nonsense. I never told you for one day to turn yourself into a royal prostitute.
sent my men to your school, and they were told you didn't show up. Henceforth, you are forbidden to leave this palace without my permission.
Madam Lois.
Madam Teresa.
Ah, you're welcome.
Well done.
Long time, please sit.
Thank you.
Ah, how's everything?
Everything is fine, no.
Welcome.
Nick, I'm coming to see you whether you want to see me or not.
Please, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? Why?
I'm dying inside. Why is life doing this to us?
Stop it. Life leaves us with choices, Liz. Oh yes, it does.
Can't you see? I don't have a choice.
I'm sorry, but you have to go. All right, you have to go. I have an interview that I have to prepare for. You have to go.
It's me. It's Lizzie. You're Lizzie.
I know. But you have to go. You have to go.
Have you found somebody else? Without my consent?
What about me? Huh?
I die every day. I die every day when I think of that old man on top of you.
I die every night.
What do you mean every night? What are you talking about every night? How could you allow him every night? How could you do this to him? Why would you do that every night? Why would you let him? Why would you let him? I didn't touch her, alright? I did not touch her. We're not doing anything, alright? We're not doing anything. Move! I promise you, we're not doing anything. We're not to do
Why move?
I forgive you, and I'm here as your husband.
Don't come close to me. I hate you.
What's going on? Drop it. Let's reason together.
I don't want to reason anything.
Drop that thing. Drop it.
Get out! I said get out!
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
It's been a long time.
Yes.
Your Highness.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hey.
Please sit down.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Your Highness.
How is the governor and the government house?
Well, we are doing great. We are really doing great. Your Highness, this is my good friend, Bosco.
Your Highness.
You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
So, to what do I owe this important visit?
Well, I came to see you on behalf of Nicholas.
Nicholas?
Yes, Your Highness.
That boy running after my wife?
Yes, Your Highness.
That boy made my heart bleed. He will perish in prison.
Your Highness, Nicholas is the only son of my late brother.
And I must confess to you that what he did to you was condemnable.
An abomination, Your Highness.
And he deserves whatever punishment you wish to unleash on him.
Youths of nowadays.
Your Highness, we do not support him at all. Rather, we came to plead with you to tamper justice with mercy. You know we have come a long way. Please have mercy on him, please.
Your Highness, do please tamper justice with mercy. Please.
Thank you very much. Don't thank me yet. You should thank your God. You escaped the wrath of Igwe and the full weight of law. Now listen. Stay clear of Lizzie or anything Igwe has interest in. There are women everywhere. Get a job. Get yourself a good girl. Have I made myself clear to you?
Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
I have a job for you through a friend of mine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Go and prepare yourself. Bring your updated CV to my office on Monday morning.
I'll do so, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. My God will bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Please, Igwe, forgive her. Lizzie is suffering from puppy love. Please forgive her.
Talk sense into her.
I will.
On second thoughts, come see me when you're free.
Igwe, is there a problem?
I married a total stranger I thought was an angel. Her family won't give me any useful information. So, I want to rely on you, her friend, to be able to understand her.
It will be an honor, Your Highness. Lizzie, you are in heaven, no? Eh? Maids, servants, food, anything you want. Thank God. Hey, but that is sweet too.
I beg you. We can trade places if you want. I swear, I regret the day I agreed to do that dance.
You must be tired of saying these things. Listen, Lizzie. Accept the bag of clothes that Igwe gave to you.
I have no need for his royal apparels. I don't.
Well, he said if you will not have them, I should.
Go ahead then. Take it. Have it. Have them.
I hope you will not change your mind though. Anyway, you're my friend after all. Even if you change your mind, I will share with you.
Thank you. My mind is already fixed. Can I have them?
Wait. You shouldn't be carrying all this yourself. Let my driver drop you.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you.
Has it that you're meddling with a small maiden?
You just arrived. I would rather we discussed the sweet memories of your trip than the idle talks of busybodies.
The gist is all over America among our friends. Even Jerry, my brother, was surprised.
Jerry married an evil woman. He won't understand the desires a typical African man has for a young African maiden.
Has your Lolo suddenly become old?
My Lolo will always be my Lolo.
Who is this young maiden?
Perhaps you recognize her when you see her.
Hey, babe. Look, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. All right, I'm really sorry. I know how you must feel right now, but I'm sorry, darling. I had a lot of work to do at the office, and I didn't know it was going to take time. I'm sorry.
I've waited before, right? It's not new.
Sweetheart, I'm sorry. Besides, you didn't tell me you were stopping by.
What is the surprise if it's not a surprise? Besides, it's not time you give me your specky.
Sweetheart, I know you must be very hungry. Huh? And you know how much you trust my skills in the kitchen, so I'm going to just take you in and whip up something really nice for both of us to enjoy. Come on now, let's get you inside. 1 second. Okay. There we go. Now I'll just help you with the heavier one. Great. All right, I'll just see her after my trip.
Don't tell me you plan to travel for 2 months without seeing your mother. Don't make excuses. Make time.
Yes, ma'am.
Bushka.
What? Do I have food on my face?
You are perfect. I know Lizzie was very special. Hear me out, okay? I'm not here to replace her. I just want a place in your life. And anytime you're ready, anytime at all, I'll be here. No rush, no pressure, okay?
Yes, Mom.
You're looking happy.
Yes, Mom, I am very, very happy.
Is it Juliet?
Okay, fine. If you say it's Juliet, you won't be far from the truth, yes.
You like her?
You're making me shy. Yes, I like her.
Now, don't waste time. Good girls are very difficult to find. And I'm close to her mother. Let's go and see her people now.
Can we not get started with this topic right now, please? Okay, fine. Can we talk about this when I return from the US?
Who'll be taking care of your house when you're gone?
Mom, that's not the problem. It's not the first time I'll be traveling out of town. An empty house can take care of itself. Don't worry, Mom. I'll be fine.
Now, why don't you think of taking Juliet along so that she will look after you? Then when you travel, she will take care of the house.
Mom, I'm not a kid anymore. I'll be...
Hey!
Mama? Huh? Kekwa ni fonya bubiko.
Akpati.
Are you smiling? Mama? Oh, I see. Okay. On our run in Belgium. Are you serious? So both of you have been planning behind? Okay. I give it to you, win. This is all right. I'll be in touch. All right? I'll call you always. You know I love you, eh? All right.
Bye-bye, all. So what?
So I still got a chance.
Please stop it. Where are you taking me to?
The first time I saw you was the day you were invited to dance on my birthday. Soon after I left for America, you started hanging around my husband like a prostitute.
With all due respect, ma'am, I am not a prostitute. Stop calling me that. I won't take it.
How dare you talk to me like that? You're such a baby. A naive, stupid, low-class fool.
I told you, I will not take the name Colin.
And I'm here to let you know that your plans in this palace will not work. I won't let you have my king. I won't let you challenge me, the Lord.
I am not in any competition with you, the Lord. I am in this marriage against my own will.
You were never meant to be here. Pigs don't live in the palace.
If you're such royal as you think you are, why does the king find you less attractive?
You talk to me like that? Don't you? Please!
You fought with your senior. You had the guts to challenge the law.
She insulted me.
You are leaving this palace today. I can't be with you anymore. All your troubles, all your childishness, they end today. What have I gained from you? Nothing. You won't even give yourself freely to me. You won't even allow yourself to get pregnant. You are useless.
Really? Beautiful, baby. I have missed you so much.
Baby, you have no idea. You know what, baby?
Yeah.
You need to go freshen up.
Okay.
And come show me how much you've missed me for the past 2 months now.
You're asking for trouble. Trust me, because you don't know how much I miss you so much, babe. But tell you what, I'm just gonna call my mom, tell her, man. I'll come meet you in the shop.
Oh, you really missed me, didn't you?
Well, then you know.
I will see you.
Wait for it, baby. Wait for it. It's coming. Wait for it.
You have to eat something. Okay. We are getting you food.
All right. Hello? She's not close to her phone at the moment. What's your name and can I take a message for her? You know, a call came through your phone earlier today.
Oh, Judith. My friend from school.
Yeah, possible. Just that this Judith had a male voice, and I was beginning to wonder if men now go by the name Judith.
Maybe network jammed or something.
Sure, it happens sometimes. It's just that this Judith, or should I say, male voice, got on the phone the moment I asked him what he wanted and if I could take a message from him. Water. For how long has this been going on? I'm talking to you, Juliet! How long have you been cheating on me? Look at you.
How are you?
I'm awesome. I heard you left your husband.
And I heard that your girlfriend dumped you.
Ah, no, that's not true. I dumped her.
That's not what I heard.
Okay, there are different sides to every story, so.
You go first.
No, you go first.
No.
You know what I think? It's not a convenient place to get started with this kind of talk, all right? Why don't we go to somewhere more convenient and, you know, we sit down and we'll catch up. Is that okay?
Sure.
Great, I'll just grab your bag, all right?
I did think about you every day and the night. Lady, I miss you and the good times that we had. My nights have been so cold. I miss your touch. I want you to know love has found a way to bring us back together. Together we are perfect. Together we are perfect. Together we sang. Together we danced. Together we are meant to be. I prayed we shall meet again. We'll do this dance so far. I've been waiting for you. I can't believe that you're here. I've missed you. While dreaming of you, I can't remember my life that I spent with you some years ago. My days were so lonely, thinking about you. I'm letting you know now that I'm here. I've missed you. so dark without you. There's this emptiness deep in my heart without you. I can't believe that you're here. I've missed you. Together we sang, together we danced, together we are meant to be. I prayed we shall meet again. With the distance so far, I've been waiting.